How should I describe it? Okay, what if we give it horns? Okay, now it looks like a demon. Which, frankly speaking, isn't that bad, as we could have it as one of the enemies within stars. Okay, let's try to fill the inner area with the color, and then we'll add the eyes to it. The heck is that? Okay. Okay, so this looks kind of, it looks like a mixture of a ghost, with a teddy bear, and with a demon. So it is a weird mixture. Which is why we are going to save it for later as well. Hey, what's up, Sticks? Welcome to the White Sponge livestream. So right now we are coming up with multiple prototypes or designs for a new enemy for the Ice World of Stars. So we already have a few versions or a few earlier prototypes. Okay, but we will be creating a few more to decide which one will be a better design for this new enemy. So each time a new enemy is about to be added to the game, first we'll start off with what we are doing now, that is to create the sprites or the designs for the enemy, and then we will create the animation frames, or rather the sprites required for the animations, frame by frame. Okay, once that's done, we'll add the frames to the game project itself using the Unity game engine. Okay, and we'll add the enemy to spawn within the game. Of course, we also have to add the various animations for that new enemy. Okay, usually the animations include the enemy idling, okay, moving, attacking, okay, sometimes bouncing around, sometimes defending, and sometimes getting stunned. So for each enemy, those are the things that we need to do. Visual wise, okay, on top of the visual aspect, okay, we also have to introduce new and custom behavior or AI for each new enemy. Okay, this makes the game much more challenging and interesting, since each new enemy that you face will have a different set of behaviors that you must get used to or die trying. Okay, since Stars is a roguelike game, if you die, you will have to start from the beginning. Okay, so if it isn't challenging, it isn't fun. Okay, and that is also why the bosses that you will face in Stars, okay, yes, there are bosses for each world, are damn challenging. Okay, even I myself, who created them, have problems defeating them sometimes. So that is how challenging the bosses are. Alright, so you might have noticed that while I was speaking, I was also randomly throwing pixels here and there. Okay, because sometimes it helps to do random stuff, as you will arrive at things that you have least expected. Okay, so when I do pixel art, I tend to do a lot of trial and error. Okay, and that is also how I learn, by doing. Okay, I know different. Okay, everyone has his or her own method of learning, but mine is to do it, or rather just do it like Nike's slogan. Okay, feel free to ask me anything that you are curious about, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. Okay, even if it's something personal, I will still try to answer them. Okay, but don't ask me things like what are your fantasies or stuff like that. That would be somewhat awkward. Okay, let's see. So we want a wave that looks somewhat scary. So we need to have some pointy edges. Okay, let's have some pointy edges. Hey, what's up, Beowulf? Welcome to the White Sponge live stream. Okay, right now we are coming up with multiple designs for a new enemy in the new ice world that will be coming in the next version of Stars. Okay, so what will be usually done is that multiple versions will be created and the best one will be selected as the final design for the enemy. Okay, by the way, Stars is also on Steam Greenlight. Okay, so to vote for it, as the link is in the description boxes below. Okay, it's currently available for PC, Mac and Linux. Okay, directly on the White Sponge website. Okay, so here are some pointy edges. So when you think of pointy edges, things like knife, scissors, penknife. Okay, you think dangerous. Okay, if I keep going with this, it could end up looking like a octopus, which is kind of funny. Okay, so we need to put a stop to its lower half of the body. Okay, if not, it would really end up looking like an autobus, which would be weird for this ice world. Okay, so we could also change the head of his body to make it look more intimidating. Okay, so there is actually a ghost enemy in the first and current brick world of stars. Okay, and this frost wraith is a stronger version of it. Okay, so the ghost looks like this. Okay, then let me just find the if I can find the sprite for it, I can show you what the ghost looks like. Okay, or I could just open the image for you. Okay, this is what the ghost looks like. Okay, you will encounter him in the current brick world. Okay, basically he is a small little spiritual entity that floats around. Okay, and will chase after you. But it doesn't shoot any projectiles. But if you touch it, you will get damage. Okay, so watch out for that. It also has the ability to phase out into the background. Hey there, Nitro Butler. Welcome to the White Sponge live stream. Okay, so basically this new enemy that we are currently designing, you can consider it as a power up version of the ghost. So on top of what the ghost can do, this Frost Wave, which we are currently designing, will have the ability to slow you down. So yes, I'm making the game more and more challenging in each new world. Okay, but that is what makes a game fun, at least to me. Okay, so looking on the right side of the image file,